Welcome. My name is Viktorija, and I will guide you through a 10 minutes breath meditation that will help you calm your mind and increase your focus. You can begin the practice in a crossed leg position on your mat. If you have pain in your hips or lower back, you can remain seated in a chair, preferably without a back support. If you wear glasses, take them off and close your eyes gently. So you can place your palms onto your knees or your thighs and relax your shoulders. So keep your back straight and tuck your chin in. Imagine there's a rope attached at the top of your head and it's being pulled upwards. This cue will help you keep your spine straight. Relax the muscles of your face, in between your eyebrows, your lips, your cheeks. Your jaw should remain soft. And bring the awareness to your breath. Observe your natural respiration as you breathe in and breathe out. So your breath might be long and deep or short and shallow. Do not try to alter it and do not judge it. Be your own witness of this phenomenon. Focus your attention at the area below your nostrils. Feel the cold air entering and the warmth leaving as you breathe. As the air enters your nostrils, your throat, and then passes into your lungs, feel your lungs and your ribs moving as a whole. As you breathe in, your ribs expand, and as you breathe out, your ribs relax. Observe the movement of your rib cage as you keep on breathing in and out. As you breathe in, your ribs expanding, and as you breathe out, your shoulders and your ribs relaxing. Bring the awareness to your belly, at the area just below your rib cage. As you breathe in, your belly expands, and as you breathe out, your belly relaxes inwards. This movement is facilitated by the diaphragm, a muscle that's at the base of your rib cage, and it's contracting and relaxing as you breathe. Observe this movement for a few breaths. Every time you become aware of your thoughts during this practice, shift your focus back to your breath, to the area below your nose, and follow it from there to your throat, to your lungs, your rib cage, and your belly. Mindful, attentive breathing. So take a breath in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. One more time. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. Thank you for participating in this meditation, but more importantly, thank yourself for taking time for yourself, and be grateful for your breath, be compassionate, and be present. And I wish you a beautiful day.